Hey guys, welcome back to M Vlogs. It's Diwali tomorrow and I'll vlog whole day as much as possible. I'm starting with this intro today because probably in the morning I won't have time, and then again it would be more like a story time rather than vlog. That's why I decided to start it today as well. I'll show you some decorations which I did for Diwali. There's a cute salt lamp. Then few fake planters with fairy lights. These cute candles with a plant. I don't want to burn them because they are so pretty. I have utilized my ring light as well with this bouquet kind of thing. And then this stand up there and cute candle. That's about it. I don't have much place to do aesthetic things around my room because I was in first standard when we shifted. That's why my whole room is pink, क्योंकि फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में फेवरेट कलर तो पिंक ही होता है ना. ओके तो इसके कारण पूरा रूम ऑलरेडी काफ़ी ज़्यादा गॉडी है, तो देर इज़ नो प्लेस, प्लेन वॉल्स टू डू थिंग्स around, but it's okay. I like my room. Oh, also all the gym and protein lovers, please stay tuned. I have something special for you guys tomorrow, and till then, bye. Guys, good morning. Happy Diwali. So now I'll have breakfast. Uske baad we are going to shops for puja. So I'll take you guys along. This is my OOTD. First shop, which is in Vardhaman Nagar, and I'm making some flower rangoli with these stencils and things, and Pravesh is helping me with the camera. Pravesh, hi. Everyone, मैंने बोला था ना, protein and gym lovers, wait for it. So here is the surprise for you all. Here I have my papa with me. Papa, hi.
Hi everyone, how are you? Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. So there are 3 branches of all the protein and supplements. So you can get 30% flat, 30% off on all the products by using my code M30 and subscribing to my channel. So you can visit any of the stores. There are 3 stores. One in Sadar, VCA, one is in Bridge Bhumi Complex, Vardhaman Nagar, and the third one is in Ramnagar, above Subway. So you guys can visit any of these 3 stores and get flat 30% off on all the products available,
Like protein supplements, you can get it. Mass gainers, you can get it. Weight gainers, you can get multivitamins, BCAA, and all kind of food supplements which are required. You will get the shakers, chocolates, and everything is there.
So I'll give you a shop tour, small shop tour as well. So everything is available. You guys can visit any of these stores and get flat 30% off just by subscribing to my channel and showing the code. So that's it. And okay, the code is available till 31st December 2020 only.
M30.
M30.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't want.
He is my real brother, by the way, पर लगता नहीं है ना. शक्ल देखो इसकी,
और हाइट देखो इसकी।
भाई ये तो ये कह रही थी कि ये मेरे से छोटा है और फिर भी लंबा है। और आज मैं ज़बरदस्ती दिन भर सबको, अपने सारे घर वालों को व्लॉग में लाने वाली हूँ। और बाय द वे सेकेंड शॉप की भी पूजा हो गई है एंड अभी बस हम घर जाएंगे थोड़ी देर में। उसके बाद रंगोली बनानी है घर पे, नॉट फ्लावर वाली, वो एक्चुअल रंगोली वाली। प्लीज़ हंस ले, फ्रेश हंसना।
मैं देख भी नहीं रहा,
देखो
पॉलिसी को डिस्टर्ब कर रही है।
देख
देखो
रहे हो?
इंडियन गवर्नमेंट बैन देगी पबजी की तरह।
We are back home now. I'll change my outfit and get into comfy clothes. मेकअप निकालना है, I'll have lunch and उसके बाद रंगोली बनानी है. There is so much to do today. Sindhi कड़ी and चावल, curd. Finally done and now we'll change, get ready and we leave for puja. So I'm getting ready now. Actually I'm wearing my mama ka kurta and my new lenses. In case you are wondering, this is Mystery Hazel. The color is Mystery Hazel. And now this has become the actual get ready with me, like the reality check. I'll just be applying a bluish green liner and that's it. Hi mama.
हाय बेटा।
बोलो हाय।
हाय मुस्कान।
मुस्कान
Happy
नहीं,
दिवाली।
मुस्कान नहीं, जो देख रहे हैं उनको बोलो
हाय हैप्पी दिवाली।
at the Ramnagar wala branch. It is in a building in first floor, so we are going there. Vyama, hi. दादी तो पूजा डन, अभी फोटोज खींचेंगे ब्रिक वॉल के अपोजिट। आजा डन एंड अभी शॉप जा रहे हैं, वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस ही है, वहाँ पे बड़े पापा एंड दादू बैठते हैं, तो उधर भी पूजा होगी, उधर जा रहे हैं अभी। अब हम घर जा रहे हैं, पूजा डन, अभी घर की पूजा बची है। So we are finally back home and I won't be changing now. I have a virtual Diwali party today and अभी घर की भी पूजा बची है, but अभी it's dinner time and dinner में है छोले भटूरे। Every year on Diwali night, like the dinner, it's always छोले भटूरे. I don't know why, but yes. So I'll have that now. So that was all about my Diwali. I hope you guys enjoy this and I'm trying to get better with these vlogs. So please comment down below and let me know what do you think of this. And also the gym offer, like the protein offer you guys get, it's really exciting, so do you make use of it. It's till 31st December only. You will get flat 30% off by subscribing to my channel, liking this video and using the code M30. all the locations of the stores is in description box, so go check it out. It's in Nagpur. And yes, thank you for watching my videos, and if you like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.